Hi, now we are going to make half double crochet or HDC. So I have finished one row of single crochet. On the second round, I'm going to make half double crochet. So let's start with making height for the half double crochet, which is chain 2. 1 chain, 2 chain. After we chain 2, then we'll start to work on the half double crochet. So to make half double crochet, firstly yarn over, then insert into the next loop, pull out a loop. So now we have 3 loops in our hook. 1, 2, 3. To make a half double crochet, we yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops out. Okay, this is half double crochet. Once again, yarn over, insert into the next loop stitch, pull out a loop. So we have 3 loops here. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Alright, so half double crochet is done. Once again, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull out, yarn over, pull out all 3 loops. Okay, to the last one, yarn over, insert into the last stitch of the row, pull out, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Okay, you can see here half double crochet is taller compared to the single crochet. This is half double crochet and this is a single crochet.